In this video I will show you how to record a screen in OBS. So first download OBS. This is website, go to and download here, and operating system according you choose and download this section. Okay, after that open OBS, install my OBS, open, and this sources delete and restart tell you. Okay, so I delete this mic, delete and begin start. This is the interface. Okay, so first setting tell you go to setting, general setting same, appearance setting same, and stream not disturb, and output simple, and bitrate this, and audio bitrate this set. Okay, and video encoder this set, and very fast default CPU set. After that path set according you, my path is E, local disk E. Okay, after that recording quality not set same as stream. Okay, so set you second high quality in medium file. After that recording format not set flash video and second option, and okay, this is the output setting is complete. After that audio simple rate 48 gigahertz set, and mic, if you showing mic, so set you mic, external mic, this is my external mic, zoom reset. Okay, audio setting complete, and video setting resolution set second option, and resolution upper side same resolution, canvas and output same, and FPS 30 bit set. Okay, 30 bit hotkey set, if you want to hotkey set, so this is my setting hotkey, insert start, end button, end and close, pause, recording alternate, and unpause alternate. So this is set, you can see. After that no setting change and apply. Okay, and sources, I want screen recording, so sources plus icon, this is here. So first you display setting, the display capture, I display capture, this is add display capture, and automatic set not disturb, and second display capture, so resolution set, this is my display showing, and okay. After that again plus icon click, and I want a mic external sources add, so audio output capture, add external mic, and default my mic zoom h1 external mic, already input laptop, and set, and okay. So this is mic and display, so need, if you want video capture, so video capture this is, and video you can see start my camera but hide camera, set camera, and okay, hide. Okay, hide my camera. If you want delete any sources, this is right click and sources, yes, delete. So two sources, audio and display, any capture screen movement. So I want to some setting advanced audio, so audio capture, click and right click, and filter go to and plus icon. After that gain add, and gain setting something 630 50, and again plus icon. After that noise set is good quality. Okay, automatic set. If you want limiter add, and limiter default setting no disturb. After that if you want set compressor, I don't want compressor set, if you want so add, but I not set. Okay, so 3 filter add audio, this is my audio is very professional. Audio control, this is here control audio, this is setting all set. Now start recording. So two method start recording: direct press key insert and mouse from start and recording. This is section recording. You can see recording start. Minimize this section. Any moment this is a capture, automatically capture. So if you want stop recording, in button click stop recording. Watch video, recorded video, show files and show recording. This is ePath and my video. So this way use recorded any moment screen in OBS. If you my information, like and subscribe my channel.